All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This method is an affiliate website that will help you make from $200 to $500 for promoting just one product. The great thing is that you will get paid if people only visit your affiliate link and put in their information. Make sure you watch till the end of this video so you will not miss out on the important parts of the video. But before we start, welcome to the channel. Money making. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So, whenever a video is uploaded, you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. Now, go to this website, affplus.com. This website is actually an affiliate website where there are a lot of products to promote and get paid. If we scroll down, you are going to see that there are a lot of offers on this website to promote. If you promote this offer right here, you will make up to $1,000. If you promote this offer right here, you will make up to $24. If you promote this offer right here, you will make up to $600. If you promote this one right here, you will make up to $850. If we scroll down again and click right here, where it says, Load More, we are going to see more offers on this website. You can make $30 promoting this offer. You can make $109.78 promoting this particular offer. You can make $55 with this offer. You can also make $29 with this offer. If we scroll down, as you can see, there are more offers on this website to promote. Right here, you can make $65 with this offer. And right here, you can make up to $160 with this offer. Scroll down, and you can make $7. You can make $134. You can make $24. And right here, you can make up to €200 promoting this offer. Scroll down again, and you can still click on more to see more offers on this website. As you can see, there are a lot of offers on this website for you to promote and make a lot of money. So, now all we have to do is choose any of the offers on this website we like to promote. For this video, we are going to be very specific. So, click right here in the search bar, where it says, Search Affiliate Offers. And right down here we have different categories to choose from. We have dating, we have mobile, we have weight loss, we have gift cards, we have games, we have skin, we have health, and we have crypto. For this video, we are going to choose weight loss. Once we do that, the page is going to load. If we scroll down, right here, we are going to see a lot of offers on this page to choose from. All we have to do is scroll throughout this page and look out for the offer we would want to promote. Now, let's say we choose this one right here, for example. The offer is going for $95. All we have to do is click on it and let it load. Once you are on this page, scroll down, and right here, as you can see, you will be able to make $95. To get started with this offer, click right here, where it says Run this offer. Let it load. You will land on this page. On this page, you can choose to sign up as I'm an advertiser or network, which means you want to push your offers to hundreds of vetted and quality affiliates. But in this video, we are going to be choosing this one right here, I'm an affiliate publisher, get me better payouts, more offers, and weekly payments. So, we are going to click on Next right here. Once you do that, you will land on this page. This page is called the Affiliates Publishers page. As you can see, better payouts, weekly payments, and more offers. Right here it says, whether you're a super affiliate or it's your first year in online marketing, you will automatically enjoy a 5-star personal approach. Unlike most affiliate networks that give the VIP treatment to their favorite affiliates, we've made the VIP treatment our standard for every affiliate. Enjoy a dedicated support chat room with direct access to the management team, plus custom payouts, weekly payments, and offers on demand. As you can see, this is a very reliable affiliate program to promote. To move forward, click on Create Your Account. Let it load. You will land on this page right here. On this page, all you need to do is fill in all the needed information. You will need to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm your email address. Click right here and choose your legal entity, if you are signing up as an individual or you are signing up as a corporation, partnership, or as a company. And right here, you will put in the name of your organization or your individual name as the promoter. Right here, you will put in your mailing address, your city, your zip code, or your postal code. Click right here and select your country, the country which you are from. Right here, put in your phone number. Scroll down again, and right here, you will put in your Skype username, your LinkedIn profile URL. From here, you can follow all the steps and put in all the remaining information on this page, and once you are done, scroll down and click to agree to the terms and conditions. Once you are done, click on Submit Application. Once you do that, your application will be reviewed, and they will send you an email to get started once you are accepted. Before we move on in this video, if you enjoy the videos so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not. Now, let us get back to the video. Now, to make more money, all you need to do is go back to the home page as before, and scroll through the offers, and choose as many offers as possible. This website has many offers to choose from. So make sure you choose as many offers as possible if you want to make more money with this platform. And that's it guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.